So here's how to play the FIFA 23 World Cup mode versus random opponents online. So what you want to do is, first of all, update FIFA 23 to get the World Cup mode, and then go into play modes and select FIFA World Cup to get into the World Cup mode. And then once you do that, then in the World Cup mode, scroll to online tournament, select that, and that will open a window that resembles something close to FIFA 23 seasons or FIFA 22 seasons or just seasons in FIFA, where you can actually select play match. And then it's going to select your favorite team in the World Cup mode by default, but of course you can change the team to any other team that you want. And then press advance. And from this window, you can change the kit if you want to. You can adjust the matchmaking settings. You can go to the squad and edit the squad if you want to. And then once you're ready, simply go back and search for an opponent. And it's going to search online for an opponent you can play against. And once an opponent is found, it's going to tell you opponent found. And it will get you into a football match against a random opponent in World Cup mode. So that's basically how to play FIFA 23 World Cup mode versus random opponents online. Thanks for watching and good luck. Now, sometimes you might have an error like this, but I've already made a video on how to fix this error down in the description below. So go there and click on that video and watch how to fix this error. Thanks for watching and good luck.